How to enable eye comfort shield on Samsung Galaxy A16 and any other latest Samsung device. You can use the eye comfort shield feature to reduce your eye strain and easily read in a dim light. So let's see how to enable it or set a schedule to automatically turn on. First of all, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to display. Tap the display. Here you can find the eye comfort shield option. Tap on it. This is also called the blue light filter in older Samsung devices. So keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using the warmer colors. Using at a night can make it easier to fall asleep. So toggle on this option. Here you can see change your screen light as a dim so you can easily read in a dim light. Here choose adaptive or a custom option. In adaptive, automatically adjust your screen's color based on the time of the day. And in custom, you can choose the color temperature. Get right for you. Also set a schedule, always on, sunset to sunrise, or a custom on your device. Also adjust the color temperature you want on your device. Color temperature increase or decrease the color temperature on your phone. If you don't want to set schedule, just make sure select always on your device. So select the adaptive or a custom you want on your device here and toggle of it. So it's quite easy to enable or disable eye comfort shield on a Samsung Galaxy A16 and our latest Samsung devices. That's it. Like it, share it.